They're tracking the car to South Gordon and hold on, stand by. Check the area, South Gordon and Westmead.
The area in the copy that location?
It's right there. I'm gonna go look.
Yeah, I want to go ahead. You're up, look around Oglethorpe Street and Evans Street. Oh, Evans. I got the car, Peoples and RDA.
Yeah, information of GSD ready.
Go.
He cut off on people.
Give me the air. People's northbound towards Oak Street. GSP is behind him. GSP pit. Show me your hands. Get the out the car. Open the door. Open the door.
So you're trying to kill us? You're trying to kill us? Oh my gosh, you're trying to kill us? Oh my gosh, you're trying to kill me? Why would y'all do that, man?
Get out.
Please don't beat me up, man. Listen, don't get on that. Y'all trying to kill me. Don't fight me, man.
Get on the ground.
Don't fight me. Stop, don't fight me. He don't stop trying to fight me. He don't stop trying to fight me. Please stop. Please.
Put your hands down.
Please, get out of your hands. I didn't have anything related to us. He hit us. That's messed up. He hit us. He's trying to kill us. He hit us. That's messed up. Oh, please.
Everyone, thanks for your GSP. Appreciate you coming over also. Over here.
He hit us. That's messed up.
4144 radio. Supervisor.
She right there. She right. She. Come here. I just saw you right through that. I just saw you. Yes.
Okay,
No.
you did a good job.
No.
You did a good job.
Excuse me.
You okay?
Yes.
You okay?
Yes.
Yeah, we can take you to your mom. You
Okay.
all right? You okay?
My mom called you?
Yeah, she did.
Okay.
She did.
Excuse me.